Hello everyone, welcome to Hot and Sweet. Today, all dessert lovers out there, I am bringing a simple yet incredible, delicious sweet recipe. We're going to make a soft, melted mouth dessert using semolina, a treat that is wonderfully tasty and can be prepared at home just a short time. Whenever your sweet cravings hits, this recipe will be absolutely perfect. With only a few basic ingredients and some easy tips, you can create this wonderful homemade sweet effortlessly. So, without wasting any more time, let's dive into our today's delicious recipe. We need 1.5 cup fine semolina. My stove is now off. 1 teaspoon sugar, 1 teaspoon ghee, 1.5 cup milk, cook until thick. My sweet dough is ready. Knead it and make a soft dough. Apply some ghee on your palm and make some sweet balls. In a pan, add 1 cup sugar and 1.5 cup water. 2 sticks of cinnamon and cook it for 2 minutes. We'll make a light syrup for our sauce. Our syrup is ready. Now dip the balls. Now cover it the lid and cook for 20 minutes. This is right after 20 minutes. My sauce are ready. Spare some mawa on the sauce and enjoy. Hope you guys like my recipe. If you like, please stay with me and watch more. Thank you.